Hello there. This is fourth grade unit 1 from your term 1. What is our unit 1 students? A guest for dinner. What is a guest? Some people will come to our house, right, as a guest. So the lesson itself shows there was a guest who came for dinner. Dinner means last meal of the day. So here to make the video short, I'll be going little fast, but you have to concentrate. Okay, try this activity in school. Throw a soft ball up in the air. You will notice that it comes back to the ground. If you throw the ball upside, the ball will go up in the air or it will come to the ground. It will come to the ground. Now answer this question. What do you think pulls the ball back to the ground? So our lesson revolves around this question. What do you think pulls the ball? What is the thing pulling the ball down? So we'll see in the lesson. We try to find out this answer in the lesson. Sir Isaac Newton, his friend over. Sir Isaac Newton invites his friend over for dinner. What happens next? Read and find out. So, do you know who is Sir Isaac Newton? He is a great scientist. Yes, he is a very great scientist. So, he invites his friend for the dinner. What happens next? We will be going to find out in this lesson. Sir Isaac Newton was a famous scientist. As a boy, Newton was interested in making model machines. So, who was Sir Isaac Newton? As I said, he was a famous scientist as a boy. Newton, in what he is interested in making models and machines. Then he was sitting on a bench in park one day. When he noticed an apple fall from a tree, he wondered what was pulling it towards the ground. This idea led him to find out many things about how the earth works. So, one day he was sitting under the tree, right? He noticed an apple falling down. So he wondered why this apple is falling on the ground only, why it's not going upside. This question make him find out what it is going on and how it's working, how the earth is working. Newton was very interested in his scientific work. As I said, he is very much interested in his scientific work. Sometimes he would forget about everything else. That much interested he was. One day he invited one of his friends to dinner. His guest arrived at Newton's house at the proper time. Newton's housekeeper took the guest to the sitting room and asked him to wait. As we said that one guest came to the uh, so Isaac Newton invited a friend for the dinner. So in the same way the guest arrived, he came, and the housekeeper, the lady who was working there, she made him sit in the sitting room. We can say a guest room also, right? Then what happened? Let's see. So Sir Isaac is not here, she said. Here he is busy with some work, but he will come home for dinner. So that time Sir Isaac Newton was not present, and she passed the same information to the guest. Newton's friend did not mind this at all. He knew that once Newton started working, he forgot everything else. So he waited patiently in the sitting room while the housekeeper set the table. So what happened next? The son Isaac Newton's friend knows that if he start the work, he will forget everything else. So in the same way, he waited a lot patiently for Sir Isaac Newton, who his friend. After a long while, the guest got hungry. He could see dinner table from where he was sitting. All the food was set on the table. It smelled wonderful. So as he was feeling very hungry, and the maid or housekeeper, she set the table, and the food was smelling very wonderfully. An hour passed. The guest could not wait any longer. He sat down at the dinner table and enjoyed the delicious dinner all by himself. When he had finished, he continued waiting in the sitting room for Newton. So 1 hour passed. An hour passed. So what the guest did? He uh, had himself a dinner. He enjoyed the dinner. It was very delicious and tasty. After having dinner, he waited for the Newton in sitting room. At last, Newton came in. He looked at his friend in surprise at first. He did not even know why his friend was there. Then he remembered that he had asked him to come for dinner. He had completely forgotten about him. So at last, what happened? Newton entered the room and he looked at his friend surprisingly, and he forgot about it that he invited his friend for the dinner, and suddenly he got reminded and asked, and he was saying that he is completely forgotten about him. Newton shook hands with his Newton shook his hand with his friend. I am sorry I kept you waiting, my friend, he said. I was busy and forgot that I had guests for dinner. His friend told him that he did not mind at all. So Newton apologizes for it. He said, sorry that I have forgotten about you, about that I have invited you for dinner. So what the guest is saying, no problem, I am not minding it. They talked for a while and then Newton went to the dinner room. So after that, what happened? They have talked for a while. They have discussed something for some time and went to the dining room. There he saw that someone had already eaten the food. So there they have saw what somebody had already eaten the food. He turned to his friend and said, I am sorry, I see that I have already eaten my dinner. I should have waited for you to arrive. So what the guest is saying, I have waited for you to arrive, but you have not came. I have waited a lot for you. But as I was feeling hungry, I have eaten that. I have completed my dinner. So it is about Sir Isaac Newton, a guest who arrives. Okay.